Okay guys, today we're going to be doing an oil change on my GX35 motor, which is, in this case, is attached to a trimmer, and it's the HHT35S. So in the manual it recommends that you start up this motor, run it for a few minutes, get it warm for the oil to drain completely. So that's what I've done. The next step is to get your oil pan out, drain pan. Here's the fill and the drain for the oil. Just open it up, turn it over, and drain it out. These motors are pretty small, so they don't have a ton of oil in them. I think it's 2.7 ounces is what they have. Once you're fairly certain that it's all drained out, it's a couple drips here. Flip it back over. Next, on a level surface, you're going to take your engine oil, and I use a syringe. It has markings up to 2 ounces. And the engine oil I poured in here, I used a fully synthetic automotive oil. It's 10W30. And they recommend starting putting in 2.7 ounces to begin with, and then going from there. So there's 2 ounces right there. So 2.5, and then what you want to do is you want to come up to the very edge of these threads, the top threads. Almost there. And the manual says start with 2.7 and then go up from there. So, and it looks like that's it. It's about to drip out of that top thread there. So we're going to stop there. Then you're going to reinstall cap. Then you want to clean up any excess that's stripped off. Okay, next you're going to want to start your motor. And that does it.